Hello everyone, welcome to our Sprouting Seeds channel. This is Sweet Autumn Clematis plant. We are now at our terrace garden. Sweet Autumn Clematis offers masses of fragrant, creamy white blooms in August and September. Sweet Autumn Clematis or Clematis terniflora is a vigorous woody and deciduous vine in the buttercup family. Very florific with many flowers opening all at once. Each star-shaped flower has 4 white sepals and many stamens. The flowers are attractive to insects, especially bees and flies. So, do plant this in your gardens for a good bee activity. To prevent any seeding, cut the entire plant back to about 3 feet as soon as the flowers fade. It can climb a structure or cover open ground vigorously. It has a pleasant vanilla-like sweet fragrance and you can actually smell it yards away too. Grow Sweet Autumn Clematis in full sun to part shade in well-drained soil. Although it tolerates shade, it blooms better in full sun. Now this species blooms on new growth, so it can be pruned hard like jasmine in fall after flowering or in early spring to keep its rampant growth somewhat in check. Like all clematis, it likes cool feet, so the soil at the base should be mulched. Fertilize in spring with low nitrogen fertilizer and keep evenly moist throughout the growing season. Now, the potting mix which I used was coco peat, sand, red soil, compost. This plant has few insects and diseases problems. Well, you can see its leaves bit weak or withered. That's okay because the plant needs more energy to produce these beautiful flowers. It may take up to 5 years for seed-grown plants to bloom. So it's always better you grow a plant from its cuttings. They are very easy to propagate. Now clematis plants are tall, bushy vines that require a good deal of space. Potted clematis needs more care and attention than clematis grown in garden. But as long as you plant this flowering vine in large container filled with rich potting mix and provide the vine with ample support as it grows, you should be able to get your clematis to live strongly for several years. Many say that clematis is a plant which you don't plant it twice. Once you plant it and there you go, you have it forever. Just make sure you don't overwater or underwater it. And thanks for watching.